Just here sitting in my room, watching some YouTube, trying to get some idea for my fashion show for Valentine's, and I don't know like what to do. So first I'm gonna try some tie and dye, but it won't be on a t-shirt. What would it be on? Think. Aha! I have an idea. Let's go. Hello. Ooh. It is Suzie QTingz coming back with another video. Anyway, today's video is going to be on tie and dye. Now, I haven't done tie and dye since I was a little tot. Okay, now I'm a little bit older. I said, let me give this tie and dye another try. Alrighty, but with a little bit of twist on it. Now, I have a fashion show coming up, and all these celebrities is going to be there. So I want this to be one of a kind tie and dye that they have never seen before. And then, you know, when they see it, they're going to be like, ooh, brilliant idea. Yes. But anywho, this is going to be inexpensive and affordable tie and dye. So you can find something in your closet where you can tie and dye with. Anyway, it's Valentine's. It's coming up. Sorry, my hair is in my mouth. Like, yeah. Valentine's is coming up. And you know what? I looked and I said, voila. Look what I found in my closet. A white lingerie. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to tie and dye this bad girl and give her a different look. Okay? You can find whatever in your closet and, you know, give it a facelift. If you're tired of it, if you're bored of it, and you know you can't afford to get another one, but, you know, you want to kind of spook it up a bit for him or for yourself, here we go. So I have not pre-done the tie and dye for this video. It's going to be my first. So, you know, let's join together with this. Go and find something in your closet that you don't mind to tie and dye, and let's tie and dye together. You're probably wondering, why is it that you're tie and dyeing and you look, you know, you're all dressed up? Because I can. Okay? I'm feeling luxurious. So yes, I can look all dressed up and do tie and dye. There's no rule to the game, baby girl. Okay? So let's get started. So this said to sit
a few moments later
for 72 hours. 72 hours is here. This, you just add water to it. So this is like the basic tie and dye that you add the water to. This I got from Amazon. They sell them at Walmart. So yeah, so it comes with 5 bottles of these that you add water into, and then it comes with gloves, instructions that you need, and then it comes with extra packets that you know, if you want to tie and dye a little bit later, you can with whatever it is. And then it comes with elastics. Now so I picked 3 colors. I picked like the aqua green, I think this is red or pink, and then purple. So I have 3 things here that I want to try, because I'm like, I have so many white lingerie, why not try 2 of these? And then I have a teddy that I said I will try also to see how it turns out, because at the end of the day, you know, it's just being creative, and if you can create your stuff in your closet, because I put some stuff and I haven't seen it around yet, and I'm like, girl, it's not something. So this is perfect idea. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fold and just put the elastic around it, because I think it's so on. Let's do so. Oops. wrap like that. Build this like this. You want to get the lace in also. You kind of get it like that, and then you wrap it around like so. So whatever shape, whatever shape you want to do, you can do it as here. They have those sparrow that you can do. You can highlight anything these look like socks. So these are like examples that we have how to tie and dye. So it's not hard, it's pretty easy to do. And then I wrap it around like that. So first again, look at these elastics are any good. And ladies that are out there who, you know, feel say, oh my god, you don't have anything in your closet or in your drawer to wear for Valentine's Girl, take one of your old, natty lingerie and zoom it up, okay? This is affordable. So then I'm gonna take this piece here, wrap it around, and then wow. These elastics are no good. Wow, Amazon. Well, yeah, you can find that from Walmart because after all the days I saw them at Walmart, so I'm just using the elastic to wrap this because clearly they are bursting on me. I don't know how this umbrella can look pretty good for my fashion show, okay? Yeah. It doesn't have to be perfect, you understand? Because it's your creativity. And then let's wrap it like that. So I'm gonna finish this up and then get back to you guys. And stay looking fabulous as always. Okay, you guys deserve to look fabulous. Okay, so hey. Okay, tie them up. They all tied up. Okay. So now it's time for the experiment. First, you gotta get your gloves. And did you went into your closet and find something to tie and dye? It could be your pajamas, your nightie, something that, you know, you're bored and tired of, but can't afford to get another one. This is the perfect thing to do. Okay, these are my colors. I'm a bit nervous. Are you nervous with me? Oh my gosh. But anyway, I'm gonna start with the small one first. Right? So I wonder if I need something. One sec, okay? No one else will have it. Thank you. And I'm certain sure all these celebrities will love it. All the top fashion icon, Suzie, Dantella, all of them. I'm like, girl, where you go with this idea from? Like, yeah, you know, one of a kind. But that's how it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna do the rest and I'll bring it back to you guys. Stay fabulous, as always, people. Stay fabulous. I'm gonna start right. Die! Okay, so they're all finished. They're right here. And I think I need to put them in. Okay, let me get the container and put the container. Right? So while I'm doing this, we are talking about being fabulous, looking and feeling your best in spite of whatever. I'm a mom of 4. One has left my nest, so I have 3 that's still in my nest. And some days, I'm telling you, I'm just not in the mood, okay? Some days I just want to be in my robe and be like, girl, that's it for the day. And the one thing I have learned is that how you dress is how you're going to feel. And there's nothing wrong if you want to be in a robe, but if you want to come out of that like sluggish feel, that depressing feel, you have to get up and make yourself look and feel fabulous, okay? Nobody else is going to do it for you. Some people said, oh, well, I want to wait until I have a man or I have a woman before. No, baby girl, because even if you may get a man or a woman, it doesn't mean to say that you're still going to feel happy with yourself. Only you can make you happy, and only you can make yourself look and feel fabulous. Okay, I'm in this, right? It's all dressed up and everything. I look like I could be going to a function or whatever. These are things that's in my closet that I don't get to wear because of what is going on. So why not dress up in my house and do a video like this for you guys so you guys can see? It doesn't matter, okay? Looking and feeling your best is one of the best things you can give to yourself. You understand? You don't need to wait for anyone to do that for you. It starts from within, your inner me. Okay, now go and find something in your closet that you have not wore in a while. You love but you couldn't get to wear it, and just dress up and just looking fabulous around the house for the day for an hour and just make yourself look and feel fabulous. Today is a fabulous day, okay? Because you're making yourself look and feel better about yourself. And whenever you hear the inner voice saying, oh girl, you can't look, no, it's not about looking like other people. It's about embracing you and embracing your inner me. Okay, ain't nobody gonna make you happy but you. Nobody can make no one happy. And you could have all the money in the world, it doesn't mean to say that you are happy, because if something is missing from the inside, then you're like a shallow end. Okay, just empty. But my thoughts for today is, find something in your closet, put it on, look good, feel good, and just be fabulous. Okay, while I sit here and wait for these things to soak in, I got a fashion show to attend to. I will see you over there. So do you like something from the collection that you see in here? These are one-of-a-kind pieces from my closet. And if you do like, you know you can purchase them from off of Poshmark. Yes. So any one of these pieces that you like, just hit me up with an email, and yes, you can have it. Okay? Yes. Thank you for showing up at my fabulous fashion show with my laundry. So I take a few pieces, tie and dye it, and recreate. Hey, 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 hey.